divide 39 by 2. So here we divide 39 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside it is 9. So it is 2 times 9 mean 18. So on subtracting we get 1. So again here 1 is less than 2 and there is no any other number beside. So we keep here decimal so that we can take 0. So it is 2 times 5 mean 10. On subtracting we get 0. So on dividing 39 by 2 we got 19 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.